So hello and welcome back to the channel. In the today video, we are going to explore something really interesting and useful. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So how to our website publish and on the Chrome by using GitHub. Yeah, it's very important for a developer because if you create a website or project, then at that time you must be means that publish because if you create a project and run, okay, but at the time of interview or other you have to show that website means you will be show that website to other person. So at that time, what you not means bring that laptop and run that website. Okay. So what you need a real means published website means there's a particular link to means enter in Chrome and then your project will be run. Okay. So that's link we have. So how we means we get that link. So that's the one means that's the one option is that we publish our website on GitHub. Okay, so there's a generator one link, so you can give that link to other a person or your friends or your interviewer. Then that person's I mean see that website and review on them. Okay, so that's very interesting and very useful for you. So please continue with me and see video till end. Yeah. Now we started with with my project means I already built a small portfolio website, okay, and I also run that website here. This is a website, okay. So now I will be hosted or publish this website on the GitHub, okay. So first we have means if we have to publish this website on GitHub, then we have prerequisite. What? That's means this website it push on the GitHub first. After that, we create that link. Okay, means yeah, this is a topic of CI. Okay, continuous integration. So now how means we see how we first push website on GitHub. After that, we can see how that website being will be published. Okay. So continue with me. Yeah. And side by side, you also means if you have a laptop and you watch on the laptop, then side by side you also try. First we go on our project where means where we store our file. Okay. This is my project file. That's I open in VS Code. Our project name is portfolio. Okay. So this is a file. So now first we have to push this website on GitHub. So so first we have to log in on GitHub. After login on GitHub, we creating okay repository. First we create repository. Okay. After creating repository, we have to push that project on this repository. Okay, so now we push this project on this git repository. Okay, so how we push? First click on project and right click on project and open terminal. If you don't show open terminal, okay, then click on more option. In that you show that open terminal or git bash. Okay, so first command is to push the repository in the GitHub git init. The initialize git. Okay, sorry, I already pushed one time, so now I again try. Okay, okay. first when we means git in initialize empty repository. Okay, git init command. It is used for initializing the git repository. Means that make this make a one folder of name that's git. So I will see, yeah, this folder git. Okay. So after that we have to add all files in git repository. So git add here. So yeah, this gives a warning like, okay, if you can now we try again. Yeah, this time means this command is successfully run. Before that, it gives a warning like because we import that push React project. Okay, I make this means I made this website in the React. So in React project, what happened? You don't means push that node module. Okay, so that give a warning. Before in old version of GitHub, okay, in that what happened? Node module also push in that what GitHub, but now it gives warning. Means you remove. So project, okay, I make this means I made this website in the React. So in React project, what happened? You don't means push that node module. Okay, so that give a warning. Before in old version of GitHub, okay, in that what happened? Node module also push in that what GitHub, but now it gives warning. Means you remove. So git add dot. Then next command is git git commit -m initial commit. Yeah. Okay. This create means it commit the all the files. Yeah, in that repository. After that there is command what git remote at origin. Git remote at origin and simply copy this link of your git. Okay. Now we push our code. Okay. First we see our which branch our main branch. Yeah. That's our default branch segment. So this gives an error. Okay. Okay, so before we give error, okay, so I means run this command git branch. There's to check my current branch, okay, local branch. That's my branch is master. But I before that I push in main branch, so that's give an error. You also check that your local branch. What is your local branch? Otherwise, you also get an error. So check and now I push. Now we check this give any error. No, this not give any error. Okay, means successfully push our code in on the GitHub. Let me see. We can refresh first. Okay. So we can yeah. Now our code is pushed. Yeah. Now our code you can see also code. The all code is here. The components, all things. Yeah. So uh, after pushing code, we have to now we have to publish this website. Okay. Now this website is not published. So for the publish, uh, there is steps. Okay. What- First, create a folder with name GitHub. Yeah. After that, create a folder in GitHub folder. That's the workflow name in work. Okay. I think not. I do not create a folder. Okay. In GitHub, create a one folder. Huh? That's a workflow name. And in workflow, create a file that share dot. Now in this file, what we have to return? That's the workflow means how that code is run. Now I'm copy from this on ChatGPT because to save our time and not that much means to not create a long video. Okay, so so I give prompt give ci.yml code for CA project. Yeah, enter. This is your code. Okay, this give code branch for main. Okay, but our branch is master. So means we request code for the master branch. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then now we copy this code and paste in share.yml file. Also, we make some changes in our this package.json. In this, we have to return to so in this line we write redeploy. Okay, and deploy GS pages build. Yeah, and so we return a one line in dash true in this after true. Okay, uh, this home page and this link homepage Aryan Thakur in our this in your our username. Okay, in our username what we have to write, that's our means GitHub username. Okay, this is my GitHub username, this what Aryan Thakur. Yeah, so I just copy it and paste on the position of username. Okay, after that we have to write that repository. So repository, so my repository name is portfolio that already suggested. So I directly copy this my repository name portfolio. Okay. So I copy this and paste on this. Yeah. Okay. There is spelling mistake portfolio, but don't worry. Means repository name is as it is. You means create that repository. You want to create that repository. Means pass in that GitHub. Okay. Repository name same as the GitHub repository name. Yeah. Now this all changes. I once I also once give this code to my ChatGPT means it fix suppose anything some error in that. Okay, now It correct our proper code. Okay, means it give proper code. In this code we have small. You means it gives some small issue. You will go to the name portfolio, but your homepage link is correct. Link was correct only. One issue. You are using GH pages in script but didn't install it. So React 19 plus React Script 5 sometimes could be warning. So I keep version but fixing only what I is required. Yeah. No. After this all done, this only two changes done. First we means make a GitHub folder. In GitHub folder we make a subfolder that's workflow. In workflow we create a here.yml. We write that here.yml code. Okay. In here.yml and in package.json we only change this two line means add two line this in script and that is one line. Okay, homepage. This one line. Okay. After that we have to means it means we use ghpages. So we have to install this dependency. So we use this command install ghpages and save the okay. So we check. So it takes us some time. So now we wait for installing this. I delete more node module at when I push that code on GitHub. So we again install that. Okay, npm install. So we create again that node module and again it's installed that save dev. Yes. Okay, okay. Sorry. There is some. I think this command is wrong. Okay. Okay. Now we come. I mean, install that gh pages by using this command. Yeah. So there is next step is to run again one command npm run deploy. Okay. It also takes some time to deploy and creating approvals. Yeah. If some issue to build project, then you get an error. Otherwise, it deploy successfully. Yeah. I think we don't have any problem. Compile successfully. Now with creating and deploying. Yeah. This message means we deploy our project successfully using GitHub. Okay. Now our project is live. So how we check our project is live or not? Okay. By you also means you also check by using GitHub. Okay. When we go on GitHub, okay, at that time click on setting button. In setting button, click on pages. Okay. Now this here is link. Okay. Now we click on this link. Okay. Now our website is published. So now this website is published, and when you get a means get this link, at that time you also share this link to other person or also in your resume also. Okay, at that time everyone can see your website. Yeah. So and also you can see your website from this link. This link and this link are both same. Okay, both are same link. So now you also try and yeah, means uh, what publish your first website by using GitHub. Yeah, again I log in. United Religion portfolio, yeah, portfolio settings, pages. Okay, now here we see our website is live. Okay, if suppose you changes in your code, okay, you make changes in your code, and when you changes, then you unpublish this site, and again run command npm run deploy with this command npm run deploy. Then your changes are also making that with that means that online live website. Okay, so that's a very good things for you if you make our project means improve your project day by day. So that's good for you, and yeah, means that changes also made in your live website. So thank you very much to watch this video.